Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S2 Lite, and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to tap on the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the security and location. As you can see here, we've got the fingerprint, so simply tap on it. And here we've got the very first page of the very first step of adding the fingerprint. Now your device is telling you that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint, but also you'll be able to authorize the purchases or sign into apps. So let's tap on next. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm. If not, then your device will ask you to add a new one, to add an additional screen lock. And it is, of course, because if for some reason the sensor won't work, then you will be still able to unlock your device. So let me enter my pattern, and now we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. It's right here. So let me put my finger on it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Okay, and as you can see, we just added our fingerprint to it, and of course we can add another by tapping here. If not, just tap on done in order to finish the whole process. Now we can enter the fingerprint again. And as you can see, this is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it in order to rename it. So this is a very cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added, then you can recognize them. Of course, you can remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon. So actually, this is the whole customization of the fingerprint. So let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device. And now I'm putting my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added the fingerprint to it. Of course, we can unblock it another way using the pattern or pin or password, whatever you have just swipe, and here we have to enter the pattern. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint in your UMIDIGI S2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.